Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information Channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about EAOM 210 FD Emko Auto Mains Failure Generator Controller. The complete wiring diagram and installation methods in this videos and explaining each pin out and pin in input in this video. Before starting the video, a small request to all newcomers. If you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification to getting more latest update video. So let's get started. Okay, this is our controller EAOM 210 FD Auto Mains Failure Controller. Okay, as you can see here, from pin 1 to pin 46, you are getting start from pin 1. Okay, the upper side you can see here the ATS control system. Okay, auto mains automatic transfer switch. Okay, from pin 1 to pin 4, as you can see here is a main inputs of your grid stations. 1 2 3 is your 3 phases. Okay, in your pin number 4 is neutral. This 4 pin is 3 phases and 1 neutral input of your main. Okay, this controller is used for auto mains failure. Okay, after that, as you can see, pin 23 and pin 24. Okay, that's used for the main contactor open relay out. Okay, this is control the main contactor of your main power of your grid station. Okay, pin 25 and pin 26, this is the main contactor close relay out. Okay, this is for use to close your main relay of your main contactor. Understand? After that, as you can see, pin 28, 27, 29, 30, pin 27 and pin 28, this is used for the generator contactor open relay out. Okay, and 29 and 30 generator contactor close relay out. Okay, what's mean by open relay out and close relay out? The open relay means that's normally open. Okay, and close relay out, that means normally close relay. Okay, this is to output 5 ampere for your normally open relay and normally close relay to control your automatic transfer switch. Understand? After that, pin 5 6 7 and 8, this is your generator inputs, 3 phases and 1 neutral. Okay, maximum 300 volts. Okay, after that, pin 41 42 43 44 45 46, this is your generator current transformer inputs. Okay, after that, the downside, we are start from 39 to 10. Okay, 39 is our battery negative and common for all sensors and all stop solenoid, starter motor, charging alternator, and also for the sensors. Okay, pin 40 is your battery positive input. Understand? This is the battery directly positive input to the controller. Okay, you need to install the fuse. Okay, 5 amperes. After that, as you can see, pin 35, this is for your starter motor. Okay, and pin 32, that's for your starter motor relay. Okay, and pin 33 is for the starter motor relay coil, and pin 31 is for the fuel stop solenoid relay coil. Okay, as you can see here, the diagram of the starter relay and fuel stop solenoid. Let me explain little bit that. As you can see, the pin 33 is directly coming to the starter relay coil one side, which is positive feed. Okay, and another side is grounded, as you can see here, and the another side of the starter relay, this one, which is now in normal condition, is normally open. Okay, and one side is going to the starter motor S terminal. When we press the start button of the controller, this controller is sent 12 volt or 24 volt directly to the starter motor relay. When the starter motor relay is energized, the relay coil goes to close this contact. When this contact is goes to closed, as you can see from here, we are direct feeding positive to the starter motor S terminal. Okay, this contact is goes to from the normally open to the normally close, and engine start cranking over. Okay, also same like that the fuel stop solenoid. Okay, and after that, as you can see here, we have charging alternator. Okay, charging alternator, the pin number 15 is coming from the controller and input to the drw.l. Okay, after that the magnetic pickup unit 14 and 13, this is the output for the magnetic pickup unit. Okay, and pin 21, 22, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Okay, the pin 22 is emergency stop button, supply normally close. Okay, from the negative to the controller. Okay, low oil pressure inputs 1, high temperature inputs configurable input 2, and configurable input 3, configurable input 4, configurable 8, input 5, and configurable input 6. This is the configurable inputs from the 19 to 60. Okay, pin 34, 36, 37, and 38. As you can see, this is the configurable outputs. Okay, our are configurable outputs 16 amperes, and another 36, 37, and 38, it's 5 amperes. Okay, this is the positive feed. Okay, 5 ampere. You need to configure this points for your specific task. Okay, the specific alarms 9, 12, 11, and 10. This is for the oil pressure sensor sender, temperature sender, and fuel level sender. Okay, this is the complete block diagram of the EAOM 210 FD controller, which is made by Emko. I hope you will understand. If anybody have further any question or problem, please write comment below in comment section and write your Gmail. I will send you the complete block diagram of this controller. Thanks for watching. See you all next time. Good.